Hey guys, it's Andrea and today I am coming at you with new releases for this week. I am super excited about this release because it is back to school related and I just love all things super cute and back to school and kitty. You guys know that. I do have an exclusive collection this week along with we have a wiggle, some foil, two other collections, and I'm just here for it. I did put, I think it was like 2 weeks ago, I did put the, what's it called? I put some like magical items on sale, and this week I'm probably going to put a full box overlay on sale. I haven't decided which one yet, but it'll be in the new releases section, so definitely look out for that and stock up because I think I want to try and start doing like some kind of like maybe like a foil item that was released a while ago on sale every week for you guys because you seem to really like that. But let's go ahead and get into this week's new releases. Let me go ahead and show you guys the wiggle first. So I kind of wanted to segue from last week's new releases into this week's new releases. So the first thing that we have here is the champagne lights on the solid here. So super cute. It is in just our normal solid format, and it is the champagne lights foil that we did release last week, but just the solid version. So this will have that special pricing from Friday at noon, from Wednesday at noon Eastern to Friday at noon Eastern, and it's just the 5-page solid wiggle, but it goes great with the other one that we released last week, which is still available in the shop. So super excited about this week's wiggle, and I can't wait to use them together because like I said, champagne lights is my favorite foil color, like my favorite fun foil color. Actually might be my favorite foil color in general. It just goes with so much. We do have some foil releases for this week. So the first one that we have here is the back to school bucket list. So there's just a bunch of like back to school items. They are more like kitty items. We do have a couple of school scripts in the shop, but these are kind of just fun ones to mark different things. So you have a bunch of different stuff on here. I'll hold it up if you want to pause it and read them, but they'll also be on the listing if you want to check them out. I also did put these on their own sheet. So this is winter break, fall break, spring break, report cards, late start, and early release. So you might need some extras of those, like you might want to order multiples, and I didn't want to have them on this sheet. So these are those will be like in the regular script section. And then this is the new SPC label. So we had the old ones that were on discount, and these are the new ones. So they do come in all 4 foils. All of the releases this week did, and they do just say Scribble Prints Co. new release and Scribble Prints Co. Happy Meal on them. So they're just the SPC labels. Super cute. So those are all the foil releases for this week, and let's go ahead into the kits. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the exclusive art first, which is super fun. I'm so excited for this. I love this colorway. I don't know when I plan on using like the back to school kits, but I know I want to. So if you guys have any idea for like if you have a kid who's not like necessarily going back to school, like when you can use these, because obviously Bennett is 2, but I want to use them because they're really cute. I feel like this one could be also like homeschool, or if you know it continues to be like the distancing type school, like staying at home school, it could kind of go for that because it doesn't have that like traditional classroom feel. Actually the other ones don't either, which is kind of nice, but they also could be kind of schooly if kids do go back to school. So the first thing here are the full boxes, and again this is exclusive art, so you won't find this anywhere else, and I just love this colorway. It was so fun to do the mood board for this, and Kitten has just killed it, of course, and I just love everything about it, even the goldfish and like the girl here with her tattoos, and you have like the really fun little like scene. I just am dying for it. Then you have my favorite page here, so you have your extra 2 full boxes, so you have the kids. So I thought this one would be really like, I don't know, I kind of felt like whenever I was doing the mood board for this, like kind of imagining more of like a teacher using this, because I feel like the back to school kind of vibes are a lot of teachers and then a lot of parents, and then I think the other 2 really worked well for like kind of like if you're going to school, like if you're in high school or in college, but I thought this one would kind of be cool for teachers, so I just have 2 kids there because they could be like their kids that they're teaching, and then you have like the little kids lunch plate there as well. So I just thought that that was really cute, and it's a little bit more of a mature colorway. You have the deco, you have the functional, the half boxes page, You have this page here with the icons. You have the new little things page, which I do love. And then you have the really nice abstract bottom washi. While I'm on this page, I'll show you guys the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. I feel like this is also one of the ones that you could do with like any of the 4 main foils. Like you could do something really fun with hollow, or I think that it would look really pretty with gold, silver, or rose gold, or it can even be a mixed metal moment with silver and gold. And then with both the ultimate kit and the mini kit, this is the freebie. So I'll go ahead and kind of like demonstrate this for you. So this was Kirsten's idea to do like a little chalkboard and then the class of. So I think it's if your kid is going into kindergarten, it'd be 2033, and then I had room for 12 over here. So let's say like, you know, you're graduating next year, like your kiddo is, or you are, you could totally take this and then pop it right on top of where that is, and then it kind of makes like a little custom box. I was trying to think of like 30 different ways to do this, but this was like the easiest way, and it's a freebie in the order, so I love this. I think it's super cute. Super, super cute. So that is the freebie in both the mini and the ultimate, which I just think is fun and something different and kind of makes it a little bit like customizable. So there's that, and then let me go ahead and show you guys the mini kit. So the mini kit here. So we have the full boxes page, the same deco page, the same functional page. This is the new mini kit page, which again I love. And then you have the bottom washi page, and again you have the same freebie there as well. There are a few add-ons here, so let me go ahead and grab those. So like I did show you, there is the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. There is also the option if you want to add on the label sampler, and then also the option if you want to add on the glitter headers. And then we do have fam boxes here, which are super cute. So you have fam 1, fam 2, fam 3, fam 4, fam 5, and then fam 6. So that is, oh, I didn't even say what the name of this kit was. It's Hello Class, which Kit and Jess I think came up with the name of that because I was very stumped on names for back to school kits. So that is the custom art for back to school this year. I think I did a custom art for back to school last year too. Yeah, it was Victoria, which was also super cute. But this one is definitely way different. That one, it was like green and pink, and I think there was blue in it. So speaking of Kit and Jess, we'll show you guys her art that she put out this year. So this is called Scare School, which is kind of inspired, well, it's inspired by Monsters Inc. So this one does have the clear paper freebie. So this is the ultimate kit. So like I mentioned last week, if you guys didn't watch that video, that the like one of the new freebie kind of like options that you could get would be a clear paper with black text script page. So like I said, in the future we might change them up for new scripts, and then let's say like I kept this in shop, and if I ever like restocked it, it would have like the new script in it if I changed them. Does that make sense? It took me like 30 years to figure out how to explain that last week, but that is the freebie and the ultimate and the mini. You guys seem to really like this freebie. So this is the full boxes, and I am obsessed with everything about this collection. I just think it's so dang cute. This girl is from Magique. I just kind of like customized her a little bit. I also did draw this thumbtack because I had this space and it was like kind of weird to have another paper clip, but I thought it was weird blank, so I drew a paper clip. And then also this little sign here is actually a custom piece from a future collection that I just took off what it said and then added top scare just because I thought it added a little bit to the box. You guys can actually see on Instagram when I sneaked this, it didn't have the picture in the background and it didn't have top scare, and I just thought the box looked a little like bare when I was looking at it from afar, so I went ahead and changed that. There is marble in the background, so you could also use marble multicolor if you wanted to, you know, extend the kit. We do have that in shop as well, but I just think that this is like a really, really cute collection, and again, I'm trying to find a time to use it because it's just super cute. It has like, I mean, I feel like it could just be kind of like this reads like anytime to me, and even this is like a planner, and then this is like, besides the calculator, could just be like computer. I don't know. I'm trying to justify it for myself. This is again my favorite page. You have another girl here, so there are like 3 girls here. This one is kind of like in the little like Sully looking robe with the little MU mug, which this is art from my Mother's Day exclusive. And then I did extract the books, I think, from this girl here and put those on the side, and then you have the little backpack hat situation, which I thought was really cute as well. The like faux glitter throughout this is like the colors in the set. I did go with the blues and the purples. I really liked the green, but I liked this like colorway better. And then I made sure to put the green in the glitter, so you do have you can see it like in here, you have like the pops of green throughout, so you're not like missing that green. But it's super cute, printed really, really pretty. And then you have the deco page, you have the functional page, you have the half boxes, the icons, the new little things page, and then you have the bottom washi, which again just reminds me of Sally's fur. It was like my favorite paper. And then this is the option if you want to, nope, that's the wrong kit. I was like, that's not right. This is the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, and I think this would be super cute. It'd be fun with like a fun foil, like maybe even, hold on, do I have it here? Do I have honeydew? I kind of want to see what that would look like. I feel like, ooh, this would be pretty. Okay, so this might be like a cute option, like to bring in the green. Like actually, like this is really, really, really dope with the bows. Okay, I'm kind of here for this one. That's smart, actually. Okay, I like that one. And then, ooh, okay, or Lucky is like a little bit darker of a green, but because it has that glitter, I feel like it brings in, I mentioned last week that like, I like foils that are like glittery because they have like the lighter and the darker colors, because that would be cute. But also if you just wanted to go kind of like blue, a blue would be fun. You could do a purple. You could do like what I did with Gamer and just kind of go all out crazy and do, ooh, even like a Sadie stickers one would be really cute like this. That'd be pretty. I don't think these are in shop, but like if you have them, that would be cool. But we have a lot of colors in shop too, even in the $8 section that might match that. Ooh, even wonder, I don't know if I have sparkly purple on hand to show you. I don't, but that might be a cute one too. So lots of options here, but honestly, I think that Honeydew, which is the new format, might be my favorite just because the greens are like pretty dang close. And then you have like all of the like new options as well, but also the sparkly green if you wanted to go sparkly. Oof. Okay, there's a lot of options, a lot of thoughts to be done there. Let me know if you guys are getting this, which one you're gonna use, or if you're gonna just go like hollow maybe, or silver. Be super cute. Okay, then it does also come in a mini kit. We do have the option if you want to add on, let me close this up just because I feel like I have a routine with these videos and it's just gonna drive me nuts if I don't. But like super excited about this. Whenever Jess told me she was doing this, I was like, yes, please. And she almost didn't do it, but she did, so I'm excited. So this is the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. There is the option if you want to add on the label sampler, and then there's also the option if you want to add on the glitter header, which has that like the multicolors throughout, like the sprinkle of different colors, which includes the green, which I think looks really fun. It's a little bit easier to see in person than on camera, but super cute. Then there's also the Fashion Girl sheet if you want to add this on. So I did kind of like change their hair colors, and then the scrunchies on the bottom too, just to give a little variety. You have the 2 tall boxes here that if you're not a tall box person, you could totally just chop and use as a full box, but a lot of options to kind of extend your kit. There's also fan boxes, just because I thought that this one, I was only going to do fan boxes for the other one, but I just thought like I had a little extra time. Color changing these outfits was not a thing, so we just went ahead and did some fan boxes. So the same 6 fan options that we always have are available, which I just think are so dang cute. So that is Scare School, which I think is super cute. And then moving into Sparkle School, this one I feel like I had already had the other 2 done, right? And then this art came out and I really wanted to use it because I think it's really pretty. But I was like, do I really need, I mean, who knows? Because sometimes I end up like Christmas, I end up having like 12 kits and I'm like, where are we? So this is Sparkle School. So I kind of tried to make this more just kind of like a pretty, just a pretty girly fashion girl kit, just because there's not a lot of school element vibes here. Just because, I don't know, I just felt like it kind of could go further if you wanted to use this, because I know for those 2 I really want to use them as well, but I'm like, I don't know when I'm going to use them. So this one's super cute and kind of just has like a college vibe, you know, you don't need a ton of school supplies laying around, but it just kind of gives you that that vibe. I mostly fell in love with the scene here with like the bow chair because I have that bow chair and I really love this bed. I think it's super cute. And then you have like your purse, your laptop. I did put like, I think it said something like study, but I just put buy more stickers on there, which I thought was super cute. Your outfit flat lay, your little Starbucks cup. Then you have your extra full boxes here, which I just did like a little planner setup, you know, the classic. And then just another girl here. You do have your boxes there. You have your deco. I love the colors in this. It reminds me of something, but I can't put my finger on it. Again, this one would look really pretty with silver, gold. I think it would also look really pretty with hollow. You do have like in the patterns, it has like stars and moons and rainbows, which is super trendy right now. You can see them a lot better here. Duh. Then there is the new little things page, which with these colors are just so pretty. And then you have the bottom washi, which I just really love this paper. I like a lot. So kept the rainbows on the bottom. You do have the clear paper script. I need like a better, I just feel like I'm like stumped on what to call this, like clear paper freebie, clear paper with black freebie. Because I want to like make sure we know it's clear, like clear freebie, clear, I don't know, transparent freebie, I don't know. There is the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. There's the option if you want to add on the label sampler. There's the option if you want on the glitter adders. And then there's also the option if you want to add on the fashion girls. So lots of options. They're so cute. I love this girl with the backpack. I don't know why, I'm just like a big fan of backpacks. So that is, I think everything, yeah, everything for this week. I hope that you guys, oops. I hope that you guys like this week's new releases. I'm really excited. Let me know if you don't have kids in school, you aren't a teacher, and you aren't going to school, and you plan on using these because you have like a really great idea of when. Let me know because I'd love to steal your ideas. So that is everything for this week. I hope that you guys liked it all. I think I already said this, but I am probably losing my mind. But everything will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern on the site. And I will have like some kind of full box overlay on sale, as well as this will be on sale for the first 48 hours. And I think that's everything. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!